Hello my people, it's your girl BB Cakes. This is a quick video. I was working on whipped cream, liquid whipped cream, so I thought that I should teach us how to make liquid whipped cream. I should make a short video on how to make your liquid whipped cream. In fact, I was done with what I was doing because I just finished using the whipped cream inside this bowl. I just finished using it, and just thought that why not show your fans, your people, how to make this simple liquid whipped cream for your cake. You can use it for your cake parfait, use it to cover your cake, you can use it to make your ice cream, and so on and so forth. But do not mind me, so I decided to show you this video. So if I can see that my hand mixer has been used, for you to know that I was even done with the whipped cream I wanted to use. So I just said that let me show my people. So let's go to the business of the day. This is my whipped cream. Don't mind me, this is not farm fresh whipped cream. This is whipped cream. It is always in a this juice container, or this carton juice container, just like a juice. That is the container it comes with. But I try to pour it inside this bottle to keep it safe, because once you open the juice container, the carton, that like just the one they use in making yogurt, once you cut it, it's opened. And the funniest thing, that it doesn't even have a flip cap. So once you cut the edge, your whipped cream is exposed. So I try to pour it inside this bottle to preserve it. And mind you, let me talk about whipped cream. Before you buy your whipped cream, make sure that it's been stored in the refrigerator, not in the freezer. Because I remember the time I wanted to buy whipped cream, they brought it out from the freezer. They said it's good. I said I don't want that. The whipped cream I want is from the refrigerator. So once you get up, please do not put your whipped cream on the shelf. Don't keep your whipped cream on the shelf. Always put it inside the refrigerator. Once you finish using it, if it remains, put it inside the refrigerator. Some other people call it fridge. Put it inside the refrigerator to preserve it. And you can adopt this method. Pour it in a container just to make it safer. So that is just about whipped cream. Another name for whipped cream, liquid whipped cream, is cooking whipped cream. So you can either call it cooking whipped cream or liquid whipped cream. And some other people call it heavy cream. Any which way, it's still the same whipped cream. So a quick one. So I'm working on half cup, because I told you I don't want to waste my whipped cream. I already made the one I wanted to use. I decided to let me just show you. I'll keep it. I'll use it to make ice cream. So that is that. So this is my whipped cream. I'll measure half cup of whipped cream. You pour it. Just half cup. You can decide to multiply. You can decide to make 2 cups. Decide to make a cup. You can decide to make 1 liter as you like. So the next thing is just to dip your mixer inside it, and you start. So you keep whipping until your whipped cream doubles its size. So let's continue. You can see my whipped cream is increasing in volume compared to what I started with. So you still continue. My whipped cream is becoming thicker. Look at it. Let me whip it for some seconds more. Then my whipped cream has been properly mixed. How do you know? I love talking fast, don't mind me. I'm trying to just slow down my pace. How do you know that your whipped cream is ready? Look at it. It sticks to your mixer. The pin of your mixer, I can see it is sticking there. Unlike before, that it was a little thick liquid, but now it is foamy. See, that is that. So you can decide to make use of your whipped cream like this. For you that don't like too much sugar, you like sugary stuff, you can decide to make use of your whipped cream this way. And if you are the one that likes sugar, someone like me, I'll leave it this way, because I'm using it, I'm consuming it myself. So I don't like sugar, so I'm leaving it this way. I'm stopping right here. But for those people that love sugary things, you can decide to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar and more. If you are the one that love sugary things, you can add more, but 2 tablespoons is okay. And what does this icing sugar also does to your whipped cream? It stabilizes your whipped cream. It's making it stable. It's making it like a little bit thicker. You get it, thickens up. So for those of us that have attended my cake decoration class, that I taught whipped cream, how to stabilize your whipped cream, you understand what I'm saying. So just make it thicker, like I said, it's making it stable. So that is what your icing sugar does to your whipped cream. So I hope you enjoy my class. Thanks for watching. It's your girl BBK. So always tend to always subscribe to my channel, always like my videos, and I've not started uploading my videos, but don't worry, they're coming up. But always love me for what I am, and I love you all as well. Then if you're here to attend my online class, please, what are you waiting for? You will learn a lot, and you will get the value that is above what you pay for. Thank you so much. I love you. Bye. So for ice cream, after you have successfully whipped your cream to this level, the next thing is to add your milk. You can decide to add a liquid evaporated milk. Some people call it liquid milk, some call it evaporated milk. Yeah. And some you can, so that is the name, Sha. You can decide to add liquid milk, that like the one I'm about to add, or you make use of condensed milk if you like sugary things. Like I said, I don't like sugary things, so I try as much as possible to run for sugar, for sugary things. So I prefer to use this type of milk that has low sugar. But for us that love sugary things, you can use condensed milk. You put your condensed milk inside it, and don't forget we make use of half cup of whipped cream to make our to start our whip, and we make use of half cup of whipped cream. So you need like quarter cup. You can see that this is almost halfway. Quarter cup of liquid milk to make your ice cream. You add it into your already whipped cream. Mind, if you use condensed milk, it makes your whipped cream or your ice cream thicker, because you know condensed milk are kind of thicker than milk. But for me, I don't like it, because I told you I'm consuming this myself. I do not like sugary things, and that is why I improvise using liquid milk. So you can use your condensed milk, and it makes it sweeter and thicker. So like I said, I've added 1/4 cup of milk into my already whipped cream. And when you're using, mind you, when you're using condensed milk too, you make use of 1/4 cup, and if you like, you can use more as you like, as you want. It depends on how creamy you want it to be, or how much sugary things you want to take, or how much sugar you consume, better still. So for me, 1/4 cups is enough for this recipe. So the next thing is to start whisking. Of my whipped cream of my ice cream has dropped. Even the whipped cream, because the whipped cream is what we use in making ice cream. You can see it wasn't thick as before. The consistency has dropped a bit, but if it was condensed milk you use, like I said, it will be a bit thicker than this. But I prefer what I prefer. So that is that. And some people still, after this, because now my ice cream is ready, you can decide to add your flavor if you like. You can decide to add flavor into it. For instance, you want to make strawberry ice cream. You add your color, which is a little of red and strawberry flavor, into your ice cream for you to make strawberry ice cream. If you want to make chocolate ice cream, you just get a very good chocolate, melt it and pour it inside. You get it? You pour it inside and add chocolate flavor. You've made chocolate ice cream. I'm not just giving you all this local ice cream. This is top-notch ice cream recipe. So like I said, then in case you want to make vanilla ice cream, all you need to do is just add your vanilla flavor, and that is all. So any flavor you want to make, you can start working with it in practice. You can even add a sort of topping into your ice cream. You can decide to add waffle. You can decide to add fruits like grapes, strawberry into your ice cream. You can decide to add coconut flakes into your ice cream. You can just work with different things. You can decide to add sprinkles into your ice cream depending on what you want. And I was about saying something. Some people still like sugary things to the extent that they will still add sugar into their ice cream. So that is that. So for the sake of this class, I will add a milk flavor into my ice cream. Like I told you, you can work with anything you like. So let me get my milk flavor. I'm coming. So I'm back. I'm just adding a drop of my condensed milk flavor, just little. It's okay. Let me add one more drop. It's okay because this is an industrial flavor. If you have been watching my video, you will know that I make use of industrial flavor most of the time because they are more effective. You had more effective than the normal flavor, and all you need to add is a little, and a little goes a long way when it comes to industrial flavor. So let me just stir it together with my mixer so that the flavor and the ice cream incorporate properly. So my ice cream is ready. You know, my love fun at times. So let me show you how I pack my ice cream. So let me show you how I store or package my ice cream. You can see I wasn't lying. This is the remains of the whipped cream I made the other time. I turned it to ice cream as well. You can see that. So I'm going to add my ice cream inside. See that? See that? Oh, so yummy. Oh no, this is so beautiful. It smells good. This one I'm going to sit down and balance, take them myself. Remind me, I'll use my finger to lick it, but that is behind the scene. So I'll pour it inside and let me stir it together with the cream, the one that is inside before. Okay, you see that this is my ice cream, and my ice cream is ready. You look, see that creamy look. And people, you need to taste this. I want you to give it a try. See, you not buy ice cream outside again. See, I've learned how to make ice cream. I don't buy ice cream out again because even the one you make at home with this recipe, it's better than the ones outside. Sorry to say, because not everybody goes for standard. But that's just the truth. So give it a try. Give me the reply, and I want to hear your experience and your questions. So thank you so much for watching. I still remain your girl, BB Cakes. Like I said, my videos are coming. I'm working on them. I'll start uploading on YouTube, and I will start my channel very soon. So thank you so much. I love you all. Bye.